Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nikhil here. I think everybody is busy in the preparations of the exams. So like I will give a small tip about the preparations of the exams at the end of the video. Just stay with me up the end. And let's come to the point. Is there are two window periods and they are given in the specific dates, so we can go through that. First window period comes with 3 days, and you can log in with your ID and password, and you can edit the names and the spellings if you made any mistakes, and the files, pictures, you can edit it there. After completed a first window period, there is after 2 weeks there is again a second window period opens, and in this window period you can only edit the pictures and the files only. You can't edit the spellings and the numbers that you gave in the application form. Only the pictures and the files you can edit in that. In the second window period, the way of the editing is different than one, because the NBE will send you the one email ID that you gave in the application form. The email ID you can check there. There is a email containing the one link and the one login pin. You can check in my screen, and just in that we can upload our deficiency documents and the pictures, and like NBE will verify your application form. There are two possibilities that you can edit your second window period, because NBE will be verify your application form, and if they found anything like a problem in the blurry photo or files or something else, they will send you back and they will tell you to retake or re-upload the files. The second possibility is a lot of students are not submitted their AC, so instead of that they are submitted registration form of the eligible certificate, so you can upload the eligible certificate right now. So in this window period, some will be made a mistakes with submitting, by mistakenly they sent a different file, they made a mistakes, so you can re-upload now and correct your file. So how to know that you made a mistakes or not? Just click on the link. So after that comes with this one, and I already told you this one is the application ID comes, you will get in the application form in the left corner. So date of birth and the PIN. After that submit and continue. There is this page opens here. They already asked him to submit the apostille because the only one deficiency application for him, and check yours or else they already mentioned you in the email. Check the email, read it properly. So later on there is a yellow box, there is a choose a file, and you can also access this one in the phone or iPad or PC. And the next is choose the file and select the file. After that here there is a blank comment box, and you can comment anything else or any problem if you had, otherwise just ignore it. Later on submit. So this comes with this page, already submitted everything. And the last thing is it's your file is under process. So after everything will be verified, you will get the admit card, and I will upload the how to download the admit card very soon. So you just touch with me by hitting subscribe button on my channel. This is the last editing window for you guys, and yeah, I made this video very lately. I'm sorry for that, because my friend got email from the NBE is today morning, so I made this at the evening. And about the small tip about the preparation of the exams, IPC sections and CRPC sections, of the numbers are very lot of numbers are there, they are confusing for me. If you have a good memory power, then that's not big problem. Whoever confused about the numbers, now you just study before the exams, 2 days before or 1 day before the exams. It's a short time memory, you can easily crack the exam. Thank you.